This 1.56 land is located directly off Highway 30 and is zoned light industrial. There are utilities and a 1,456 square feet teardown or fixer-upper home located on the property. This is an excellent location for a strip center, freestanding building, convenience store, or any business development. An apartment complex is to be built to the left of this property. The home on this property has been leased month to long-term tenants. Please do not disturb the tenants.